Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. This is called Tap, Clap, Everywhere. It is a one-wall dance. There's 4 parts, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. Let's dance together. Watch till the end, and I'll put the demo at the end. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share this video. And I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I see you. If it's no more than a heart or like, thank you so much. So are you ready? 4 parts, guys. So here we go. So part 1 we're going to do on the front and the back wall. Starting on the right leg and then the left leg on the back wall. So 1, 2, coaster, 3, kick, 4, and 5. So when I do a coaster, kick, tap, back. So I rock up, recover, coaster, kick, and tap back. Kick, ball, chain. I'm going to turn back on the this left leg, the back leg, and I'm going to do a out and cross. And the same thing on the left leg. Rock up, recover, coaster, kick, ball, change. So when I kick, ball, chain, I tap back, and I turn back, half turn, and out and cross. That's part 1. So let's put it together. So it's, let me walk over it again. Do rock up, recover, coaster, right coaster, coaster, kick, ball, change. Kick, tap back with that left leg. Turn back on that left leg. Half turn, back. On the right is a out and cross. The left is rock up, recover, coaster, kick, tap back, turn back, out and cross on the left. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and, 1, 2, 3, kick, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, kick, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. So part 2 is tap back, tap forward. 1 and 2. Then you tap forward. 3 and back. 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. So we tapping back. 1 and 2. Back together. Up, 3, back, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2, double tap on the right. 1 and 2 and 3. 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all part 2. So I do a double right, slide on the right, and pivot, step pivot right, step pivot right. Coming back to the front. So what did I do? Tap back. 1 and 2. Up and back. 3 and 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double tap. 1 and 2. Slide 3. 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's go back to the top. Part 1. With that rock up and cover. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1 and 2, up 3, back 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. Double 1 and 2, slide 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good. 1, 2, part 3. Part 3 is step, tick, left, right, left, right. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to cross on the left with a travel. 5 and 6. Front side step. On the right, up, in, out, in, kick right, left. So when we do our travel step going to the right on that left leg, front, side, together, the right leg The left leg, I go to the right with the left leg. Front, side, together. Right leg go up, in, out, in, kick, kick. Then I'm going to go back to my left. Front, side. Shuffle right, slide up, left. Okay, so let's put it together. Step tick. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Step tick, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 4 is on the right. We do our travel step with the left leg going to the right. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, up, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, travel 3, 4, shuffle back, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Gotta shuffle back. Then we're gonna do it again. Step tick. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, travel. 5 and 6, up, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, travel 3, 4. Instead of sliding back, we're gonna go 5, 6, turn 7, 8. All right, so that's all part 3. It looks the same. But at the end, you slide back on your right, shuffle back, and then slide up on the left. The second time you do it, you do everything the same, but you take out the shuffle back and the slide up and put a turn. So let's put 3 together. Step tick. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, travel 5, and 6, kick, 7, and 8, kick, 1, 2, travel 3, 4, shuffle back, 5, and 6, 7, 8, step tick. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, travel 5, and 6, kick, 7, out, 8, kick, 1, 2, travel 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's 1, 2, and 3. So let's put it together. Part 1 is rock up, recover, coaster, kick, tap, back, half turn, out, and cross. Rock up, recover, coaster, kick, tap, back, turn, back, half, turn, tap, back, 1 and 2, up, 3, back, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then what we just went through with the step tick. All right, we got one more part to put together, then I'll give you the rotation. Now, the dance has, like every part is different, but when you listen to the music, you understand why, okay? So I explain the rotation to you later, in a few minutes. All right, so let's do rock up, recover. 1, 2, and 3, and, wait, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, tap it back, 1 and 2, up, 3, back, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, step, tick, 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, travel, 5 and 6, kick, 7 and 8, kick, 1, 2, travel, 3, 4, shuffle back, 5 and 6, 7, step, tick, 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, travel, 5 and 6, kick, 7 and 8, kick, 1, 2, travel, 3, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. You do a spin on 7, 8. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, spin around. Okay, now, part 3, part 4. Part 4 is the left. You slide to the left, you slide to the right, quarter right, and do come back to the front with a triple step. Left, right, left. Okay, slide left, 1, 2, slide right, quarter right, 3, 4, on the left, back to the front, 5 and 6. So it's left, right, right, left, back to the front, left, right, left. I'm going to step forward and make a quarter turn. back recover, and I'm gonna do this part twice. I'm gonna do this part twice. I'm not gonna change up my footwork, but I'm gonna do it twice. So when I rock back recover to do a turn, I'm gonna look at my wall first, which is our back wall. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna do a triple. 3 and 4. No, I think that's 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That's the count. So I rock back on 3, 4. Then my right shoulder come back on triple step. 5 and 6. Step on that left. 7, 8. To come to your wall. Don't worry about not seeing it because I'm going to do it again. At this wall. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to slide left. 1, 2. Quarter right. 3, 4. Back to my wall on the left leg. 5 and 6. Quarter right, step forward. 7, lift 8. So I actually have to step forward and turn my ankle. 5, 7, and 8. So slide 1. Slide 1, 2. Quarter right. 3, 4. Triple. 5 and 6. 7, 8, shuffle. 1 and 2. Rock back. 3, 4. See in my wall. So forward on a triple. 5 and 6. Step. 7, 8. So let me walk through the concept on this wall here. So I'm at this wall here. I slide left. This is all a part 4. I do a quarter right. Then I come back to this wall, triple step. Left, right, left. I'm going to go to my right, but I'm going to step forward, turn my ankle, and step lift. I shuffle, left, right, left. I rock back, recover to go forward with the right shoulder. I'm looking at my wall. So I'm going to go right, left, right, left, right. So I'm always, when I do my rock back recover, I'm almost doing a 3/4 turn on that triple step. Right, left, right, then a half turn on left, right, and I'm at my wall. That's all of 4. So let's put it together. All of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide left. 1, 2, turn right. 3, 4, back left. 5, then 6, turn 7, lift 8, shuffle up. 1 and 2, rock back. Look at that back wall, triple. Look at the front wall, and then step left, right. Slide left. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, turn again. 5 and 6, turn. 7, 8, shuffle up. 1 and 2, back. 3, 4, triple. 5 and 6, turn. 7, 8. That's part 4. So let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. And we're going to put the dance together, okay? So we rock up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm giving you a review. 1 and 2, up, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, double, 1 and 2, slide 3, 4, pivot. And then that step tick with a triple. Travel, kick, out, kick, kick, travel, shuffle back, slide up, step tick, triple, travel, kick, up and out and kick, kick, travel, spin, right, left, spin around, and left, and right, what I just told you, showed you, taught you. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, tap 1 and 2, up 3, back 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8, double 1 and 2, slide 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, step 6, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, travel 5 and 6, 6, 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, travel 5 and 6, 7, and 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, turn 3, 4, back 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, back 3, 4, triple 5 and 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, turn 3, 4, triple 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. There you go. There you go. So, what I just showed you, that is part 1, the first rotation. You do part 1 on the front and back wall, right leg, left leg. You do part 2. You do part 3 with that step tip. You do part 4, front and back wall. We just did it. The second rotation, you start at part 1 again. 1, 2, and the right and the left leg in the front and back wall. Then you skip part 2 and you do part 3 and part 4. When you do part 4, 4 is a chorus. So you did it twice, you're going to do it 4 times. You're going to do it at the front and back wall, that's that slide. You're going to do it again, front and back wall, 4 times. So the third rotation looks like the first rotation. You're going to do part 1, you're going to go and pick up that part 2. That part 2 with the tap. 1 and 2 up, 3 and 4. Yeah, with the double, slide in the pivot. You're going to do part 1, part 2. You're going to do part 3 with that step tip. Travel. Yeah. Remember at the end of part 3 where you do that spin, you're going to do that twice. So when you do it once, do it again. And then do part 4 with the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that 2 times, front and back wall. Okay? Then rotation. Then you do the 4th rotation. You only do part 3 and part 4. Part 3 2 times, part 4 2 times. Then you repeat it again. Part 3 and 4. Part 3 2 times, part 4 2 times. Look at the demo. You're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? I've broken down each part, 4 parts. And I've showed and I've taught and I told you about the change. Okay, so I got my little notes here. Write your little notes as you're watching the dance, and it should match up to my notes, okay? That is tap, clap, everywhere. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.